Ayan, so audible ba ako? Audible ba? Rinig ba? Ayan, good evening once again. Kumain na ba kayo? Heart react naman kung kumain na. Parang hindi pa ata yan. Isa, dalawa. Dalawa pa lang, tatlo. Ayan. So, sabi nga ni Nicole kanina, ayan, in-announce niya na if pwede naman, ngayon na lang natin ganapin yung ating quiz B kasi ang coverage lang din nun is pwede naman kumain, magdi-discuss muna ako. Sige, kumain muna kayo dyan. Pwede naman. Ang coverage naman nun is partnership formation, which is yung coverage din ng inyong semifinals. Semifinals na ba? Kasi kami, hindi pa kami nag-midterms eh. Ayan. So, pwede nyo na rin yung gawing as reviewer or practice para sa pag-solve ng mga problems and theory questions. Ayan. Ayos lang ba yun? Heart react kung ayos lang, kapag hindi, like. Ayos lang kay Daphne daw. Chibo, nandyan ka ba? Ayan, so last time or last session, napag-aralan natin or na-discuss sa inyo ni Nicole yung about the definition ng partnership, yan, mga characteristic of a partnership, advantage and disadvantages of a partnership, yan, including yung mga, yan, partnership distinguished from corporation, and then classification of partnership. And then, kasama yung mga kinds of partners. Tapos, na-introduce din natin yung accounting for partnership and meron tayong 4 na stages ng partnership. Formation, operation, dissolution, and liquidation. And then, na-introduce na rin natin ang partnership formation. Nandito ang valuation of investment by partners. Meron tayong pwede mag-invest ng cash at face amount or face value. And then, kapag non-cash naman, diba, ang una nating dapat malaman or tandaan is yung agreed value na pinag-agreehan ng partners. And kung wala naman yun, yung ating fair market value. Pag wala yung fair market value, ang last recourse natin ay ang book value ng asset or ng mga non-cash or fixed assets. And then, kailangan natin i-adjust yung mga accounts prior to formation kapag sila ay may mga business, mga individuals na or sole proprietorship. Kailangan yan i-adjust prior to formation. Ayan. And then, for now, for this session, okay. Ayan, okay na ba? May ask ikaw to record also sa iyong laptop. Baka hindi mag-save itong recordings. Mahirap na. Ayan. So, let's solve problem. Nasagutan nyo na ba to sa class or hindi pa? Itong problem 1. You can chat or unmute. Or na-discuss na ba ito, itong problem na ito? Okay. I guess, hindi pa kasi wala na akong nagsabi. So, proceed tayo. So, sabi niya, sa problem 1 is partner's original investment. Diba? Pwede kang mag-invest ng cash or non-cash. So, basahin natin yung problem. Sabi niya, si Dina Ligo contributed land, inventory, and 280,000 cash to a partnership. The land has a book value of 650,000 and a market value of 1,350,000. The inventory has a book value of 600,000 and a market value of 510,000. The partnership also assumed a 350,000 note payable owed by Lego and was used to purchase the land. Ann Baho agreed to put up cash equivalent to Lego's net investment. Ayan. So, ang ating requirement is prepare the journal entry to record Legos and Bahos investment in the partnership. Ayan. So, sa ating books ng partnership, what is your entry to record kay Dina Ligo? Dina Lego. Ayan. Investment in a partnership. Diba? Siya ay nag-invest ng, sabi niya, 280 cash. So, debit to cash, 280,000. And then, debit to inventory. Meron tayong book value na 600 and market value of 510. So, sa tingin nyo, ano ang amount na i-record natin sa ating inventory? And then, meron din tayong land. Ayan. Market value. Ayan, correct. So, ang market value ng inventory natin ay 510,000. So, sa land, dahil given naman ang ating market value at wala naman silang pinag-agrihan, so ito ang ating gagamitin nyo. 1,350,000. And then, sabi niya, the partnership also assumed a 350 note payable owed by Lego and was used to purchase the land. So, in-assume ng partnership, kaya i-record natin yung ating notes payable. Notes payable of 350. So, sa tingin nyo, magkano ang capital ni Lego? Magkano ang capital ni Lego? So, asset minus liability. So, ang kanyang capital is 1,790,000. So, sabi niya, Baho agreed to put up cash equivalent to Lego's net investment. So, kung 180 kay Lego, yung kay Baho naman is 1,790,000 rin. So, invest ito ng cash and then i-credit natin kay So, ayun ang ating journal entry sa pag-record ng kanilang investment sa partnership. Ayan. So, gets ba yun? Heart react naman kayo kung gets. So, madali lang, di ba? Easy. Easy problem. So, let's move on to problem number 2. Ito, ang hinahanap is additional investment or withdrawal. So, basahin natin yung problem. Sabi niya, Benny and Bilang have just formed a partnership. Benny contributed cash of 1,260,000 and computer equipment that cost 540,000. The fair value of the computer is 360,000. Benny has notes payable on the computer of 120,000 to be assumed by the partnership. Benny is to have 60% capital interest in the partnership. Bilang contributed only 900,000. The partners agreed to share profit and loss. So, kulang yan. Profit and loss equally. Benny should make an additional investment or withdrawal of, ano daw. So, you can compute. Ayan, antayin ko ang inyong answer. Siguro pwede na yung 2 minutes. So, by 8:26, you can chat your answers. Yan, pwedeng PM or pwede sa everyone. Ayan, so wala pang nagsisend ng kanilang answer. Meron na ba tayo diyang answer? Magkano daw yung additional investment or withdrawal ni Benny? So, ang partners natin si Benny and Bilang. Benny, Bilang, partnership. Yan, Bilang. Ayan. So, may nagsagot dito, additional investment of 600. Ayan, hindi siya sure kasi marami siyang question mark. Kailan ang kanyang question mark? Hindi mo? 600,000. Let's see. Ayan. So, I guess, kasi may nag-set na, pwede natin sagutan. So, si Bilang daw contributed only 900. So, Bilang capital is 900. Tapos sabi niya, Benny is to have 60% capital interest in the partnership. So, sa partnership, meron tayong capital interest and profit and loss interest or P&L interest. Ito, Benny is to have 60% capital interest and partners agreed to share profit and loss equally is magkaiba yan. Pag sinabi natin capital interest is yung magkano ba yung i-invest nila or magkano ba yung mismong capital nila dun sa partnership. Pag sinabi dito sa share of profit and loss equally, ito naman yung share nila dun sa profit or loss ng partnership. So magkaiba yan. Kapag formation, hindi mo muna ito papansinin, yung profit sharing nila. Dito ka mag-focus sa ating capital interest. So, meron daw na kung 60% kay Benny, magkano yung kay Bilang? So, si Bilang ay meron siyang 40%. So, para makuha natin yung total investment by partners. Itong total investment by partners, ito na yung full na magkano ba yung in-invest nilang dalawa. So, para makuha to, kailangan natin 900,000 divided by 40%. Para makuha natin yung 100%. So, 900,000 divided by 40%. So, magkano yun? 900 divided by 0.4 is 2,250,000. So, ito yung total investment by partners. So, kung 2,250,000 yung 100% and 60% yung kay Benny, kapit ko na lang. Yung kay Benny. Ayan. Kung 60%, magkano yung kanyang capital? Ayan. So, multiply lang natin. So, meron kang 1,350,000. And then, let's compute yung ating investment niya by ledger or magkano ba yung initial investment niya muna. So, sabi niya, nag-contribute daw siya ng cash na 1,260,000. And then, meron kang equipment or the computer equipment that cost. Yung cost niya is 540 pero meron siyang fair value of 360. So, ang i-consider natin is yung 360. Ayan. So, 1,260,000 plus 360 and then may notes payable siya na inassume ng partnership. So, be careful sa mga liabilities. Kapag inassume, doon lang siya isama. Kapag di naman siya inassume, huwag siya isama. Ayan. Dapat Don't assume unless otherwise stated, di ba? Ayan. So, meron kang 1,260,000 plus 360 is equals to 1,260 less yung ating notes payable. Meron kang 1,500,000. So, ito yung Benny's capital net per ledger. So, meron kang 1,500,000. So, ililess natin ito. Kasi ang capital niya is 1,350,000 pero nag-invest siya ng at hand. Diba? Meron siyang in-invest na 1,500,000. So, yung difference nun is 150,000. So, ang tawag doon is withdrawals. So, kailangan niyang mag-withdraw ng 150,000 from the partnership. Kasi 60% lang yung capital interest niya sa partnership. Pero, ang in-invest niya is 1,500,000 na dapat is 1,350,000 lang. So, 1,350,000 plus 900 is 2,250,000. So, ang ating sagot ay 150,000. Withdrawals of 150,000. So, gets ba yun? Gets ba or ulitin pa? Sabi nila is choppy daw. Choppy ba? Or siguro kasi unstable ang aking internet. Ayan. Ulit ba? Ulit ba yung explanation? Sabihin nyo lang. One more time. Sige. So, sabi niya, si B lang daw is magko-contribute siya ng 900,000. And then, si Benny, mayroon siyang 60% capital interest sa partnership. So, kung kay Benny is 60%, di yung kay B lang is yung difference ng 100% less 60% is 40%. So, para makuha mo yung total investment by partners, ito yung 100%, yung kailangan nilang i-invest is i-divide ko lang siya dun sa sarili niya. So, si B lang, meron siyang 900 na in-invest, divide mo sa 40%, which is yung kanyang capital interest, is makukuha mo yung 100% na total investment by partners, itong 2,250,000. And then, sabi niya, 60% daw kay Benny, so compute na natin yung kay Benny. So, multiply mo by 60%, ang kanyang adjusted na capital is 1,350,000. Pero, nag-invest na siya at hand per ledger. So, sabi niya, nag-invest daw siya ng cash, nag-contribute siya ng cash na 1,260,000. And then, yung computer is may fair value na 360 and then in-assume ng partnership yung notes payable dun sa computer na 120. So, 1,260,000 plus 360 less 120 is 1,500,000. So, kung nag-invest na siya ng 100,500,000 pero dapat 1,350,000 lang yung dapat niyang invest. So, mag-withdraw siya ng 150 from the partnership. So, nagets ba yun? Or ulit pa? So, yung 600 is wrong po. 600,000. Masyado nang malaki yun. Ang kailangan niya lang i-withdraw is 150. And then, for our last problem for tonight is ito. Medyo mahabang problem. Medyo lang naman. So, on June 1, 2021, May and Nora form a partnership. May is to invest assets at fair value which are yet to be agreed upon.
Ayan. She is to transfer her liabilities and is to contribute sufficient cash to bring her total capital to 210,000, which is 70% of the total capital partnership. So si May daw is meron siyang 70% capital. So kay Nora is 30% yon. So details regarding the book values of May's business, assets, and liabilities and their corresponding valuations is referred to your screens. Ayan. And then sabi niya, Nora agrees to invest cash of 42,000 and a merchandise valued at current market price. The value of the merchandise to be invested by Nora and the cash to be invested by May are, ayan. So kailangan natin computein yung value ng merchandise na i-invest ni Nora and then yung cash to be invested by May. Ayan. So for solution, kung na kayo kapag solvent, ito na. I-analyze na lang natin both. Ayan. So sabi niya, itong ating solution. Kailangan natin alamin muna magkano yung total agreed capital. So, pwede natin yun makompute by dividing yung share or yung capital ni May dun sa kanyang capital interest. Kasi binigay naman dito yung kanyang total capital or yung adjusted capital or yung tinatawag na TAC or total agreed capital. Ayan. So, meron siyang 210 which is 70% of the total capital partnership. So, divide natin 210,000 divided by 70% is 300. So, yun ang total agreed capital. Kung 300 yung total and 210 yung kay May, di kay Nora, meron kang 90,000. Meron siyang 90,000 na i-invest. And then, sabi niya, nag-invest daw siya ng 42,000 na cash. So, magkano na lang yung merchandise na invest niya? 48,000. I-less mo lang from dun sa kanyang capital balance. Ayan. And then, next is to be cash to be invested by May. Magkano ba yung cash? Kung meron kang in-invest na 210 and ito yung mga agreed value na in-invest niya sa partnership, di ba? Agreed valuation muna tayo. Pag walang agreed valuation is fair market value. Pag walang fair market value, ito na yung gagamitin natin yung book value ng ating asset. So, ang net asset is 148. Yan, contributed capital at agreed valuation or yung ating net asset. So, asset less liabilities, less yung mga contra asset account and allowance for doubtful accounts, less yan. Less mo rin yung accumulated depreciation sa store equipment and office equipment. And then you will arrive at the amount of 148,000. So, yung 210,000 na agreed capital kay May, less yung contributed capital at agreed valuation na 148, ang kanyang cash na invest is 62,000. So, that's it. I hope na-gets yun. Na-gets ba? React heart if gets. Or one more. Or masyado bang mabilis? Magalan natin. Magpara lang kayo, sabi ni Cole, para daw. Magpara lang kayo. Hindi naman natin pinamadali ang mga bagay. And do you have questions or other concerns? This is the last problem for tonight. Ulitin ba natin or let's proceed sa ating next agenda for tonight? Saan? Ito. Kasi ang capital niya dito sa kay Nora ba yun? Daphne.
Yes po.
Okay. Kasi yung capital interest niya, di ba, 30%. Kay May is 70%. So, 70%, ay 30% nung total capital ng partners is 300. So, meron siyang 90,000 na makikredit sa kanyang capital. So, yun yung mag-appear sa statement of financial position. Dapat 90,000 lang. And nag-invest daw siya ng 42. So, di ba, accounting equation, asset equals liability plus equity. Dapat balance yun. So, ang asset mo is, nag-invest ka ng 40,000 and then, ang equity mo is 90,000. So, magkano pa yung kulang mo sa asset is 48. Diba? 90 less 42 is 48. Parang ang in-invest kasi ni Nora dito is cash and inventory or merchandise inventory. So, ang hinahanap sa problem is value ng merchandise daw na i-invest ni Nora. Kasi ang pinigil lang dito is yung ito about kay May ito eh. Sa kanyang statement of financial position. So, gets ba yun? Or si Nora kasi other than cash, mag-i-invest pa daw siya ng merchandise. So, ang pinapakompute is magkano yung merchandise na i-invest niya. Pwede rin tanungin magkano yung, kunwari, sinabi dito, the value of equipment to be invested by Nora. Pwede rin. Pwedeng hindi merchandise yan. Pwedeng land, ganun. So, squeeze mo lang yung amount. So, kailangan mo munang computein yung magkano yung total nila or total ng dalawang partners. Kung 70% kay May, 30% kay Nora, magkano yung kay Nora? So, meron siyang 90,000 or 300,000 times 30%. Kasi 210 na yung kay May. Sabi sa problem, to bring her total capital to 210. So, parang fixed na yung 210. Parang maximum na i-invest niya is 210 sa partnership, which is 70% yung sa kanya. So, 210 divided by 70% to compute for the 100%. May mga instances kasi or may mga problems na ayun, magagamit mo ito. Yung mga i-divide mo sa sarili niyang percentage to compute kung magkano talaga yung sa kabuuan, ganun. Para ma-compute mo yung 100%, i-divide mo dun sa sarili niyang percentage. Ayan. So, may question pa po ba? I-push natin yung ano ngayon, yung quiz Bisaya. Para pwede nyo pag-reviewan. Ano lang yung 15 questions. Very short questions, maraming theories, and may mga konting problems na pwedeng lumabas or hindi sa exam or quiz, ganun. Choppy ba ako? So, meron pa po ba? If wala na, mag-break lang tayo ng 2 minutes and then we'll proceed. If kaya nyo pa, kaya pa ba? Kaya nyo pa ba or hindi na?
Kaya pa or hindi na? Yun lang. Proceed pa ba tayo or stop na? Or para muna? Kayong bahala. Kung kaya nyo pa. Kaya ko pa naman. Kinakaya. Kakayanin. Ayan, so, I guess, kaya naman. Kaya ba? Kaya ba? React hard naman dyan kung kaya pa. Isa lang yung nagre-react. Kaya niya pa. Dapat ikaw na lang daw mag-pismi. Ayan. Kamusta naman yung CAG? May prize po ito kung nagtataka kayo. Every time po nang nagpapa-quiz kami or magpapasagot, gano'n, may prize po, may corresponding prize. Pero ang prize natin is sa dulo ng ating tutorial, sa dulo ng ating semester. So before we start, pwede bang i-rename nyo muna yung mga names nyo dito to player 1 and player, tapos number, and then underscore your surname. 1 is Paragas, 2 Jimenez, and then 4 is Nino. Wala kasi si Casey. And so 1, 2, Jimenez, and then 4. Kindly change your names sa format na aking sinend sa chat box if andyan kayo. Player and then space 1. Ayan, player. Ganyan. Are you there po ba? Andyan po ba kayo? Wala pa atang nagpapalit. Ayan, meron na. Yes. Okay na yan. Yung number 2. Pwede na yan. Jedeline, are you there? Ayan. So, I guess, pwede na tayong mag-start.
But before we start, let me first read to you our general guidelines for this quiz bee. So the ACP Cup, Group 3 Cup is an online mini quiz bee open to Group 3 first year accountancy students. Kayo yun, na belong dito sa group namin or sa group natin. And then the mini quiz bee shall cover specific topics under ACC 100/101. So for this session, ang topic is about formation, partnership formation, and basic considerations sa partnership. Ayan. Questions may be multiple choice, identification, true or false, enumeration, and or problem solving. Kapag multiple choice is letter lang yung isasend nyo, and then true or false, true, complete, bawal T or F. And enumeration, ibibigay nyo yung hinahanap, as well as kung problem solving yon. And then the mini quiz B will be composed of 3 rounds, namely easy, average, and difficult. So the participants are allowed to answer the questions only when the quizmaster type go in the chat box, or for this session, ang magta-type ng go is andito ba si Ate Jamie? Ate Jamie, are you there? Ate Jamie, are you there?
Tulog ate, wag na daw ituloy.
Kim, pwede ka ba? Nandiyan ka ba, Kim?
Pwede naman.
Ayan, so si Kuya Justin na lang yung magta-type ng go sa chat box, and all answers should only be sent directly to the quizmaster. So ako yung quizmaster nyo for tonight. So lahat ng answer nyo is sent directly sa akin lang. So pwede nyo nang i-customize dyan sa chat box nyo na direct message sa akin lang po. Ayan. So time allotment, corresponding points, and number of questions are as follows. So meron tayong easy, average, and difficult round. For theory questions, you have 20 seconds to answer. Then for problems requiring computations, for easy, meron tayong 45 seconds. For average, 60 seconds. And then for difficult, 90 seconds. So may timer po tayo para masanay rin kayong solve ng mabilis. Ayan. So, number of items for easy, average, difficult is 5 items. And then corresponding points for easy, we have 3 points, average 5 points, and difficult 7 points. So, kung konti nakuha mo sa easy, pwede kang pumawi pa sa average and difficult. So, next, before proceeding to the next question, an allotted time of 10 seconds will be given for the participants or players to decide whether they want to raise a protest or clarification. After the allotted time has elapsed and the quizmaster starts reading the next question, all concerns shall be entertained after the mini quiz B. So, you have 10 seconds after ng isang question na mag-raise. Pwede kayo mag-raise ng hand or mag-unmute kasi baka hindi ko makita yung nag-raise ng hand kasi na mawala ang ating meeting controls. Ayan. So, the top 1 participant accumulating the most number of points shall win exciting prize at the end of this semester. So, syempre 4 kayo, may isa lang pong pagwawagi sa mini quiz B na ito. So, every lesson or topic namin i-discuss, mag-prepare po kami ng mga questions and for sa ating quiz B. So for theory question pala, I will read the question twice, and then for problems, I will read the question once lang po. So is that okay? Can I get a heart react from you guys before we start? Ayan, game na game si Chibo. Ayan.
Akala mo lang to eh.
So, are you ready? Handa nyo na ang inyong mga scratch paper and calculators. Ayan. So, you can send lang sa akin directly, but hintayin nyo muna yung go ni Mr. Justin Alventia. highway. Are you ready? Ayan, for the AC round. Easy round question number 1. May nawala. Oh my God. Nawala si nawala. Okay. So for question number 1, Urbano owns and operates a large hardware store in the Bupan City that employs about 45 personnel. She delegates some of the decision-making to 2 supervisors. Urbano's business is organized as a, let me repeat, Urbano owns and operates a large hardware store in the Bupan City that employs about 45 personnel. She delegates some of the decision-making to 2 supervisors. Urbano's business is organized as a, letter A, corporation, B, partnership, C, sole proprietorship, or D, limited partnership. So your 20 seconds starts now. Three seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is letter C, sole proprietorship. So only player 1 got the correct answer. So si player 1 lang po ang nakakuha ng correct answer. So next, easy round question number 2, true or false? An industrial partner shares in the profits of the partnership but not in the partnership losses. So I repeat, an industrial partner shares in the profits of the partnership but not in the partnership losses. True or false? Your 20 seconds starts now. Ten seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is true. So no one got the correct answer. Easy round question number 3, theory question. Unlimited liability means, I repeat, unlimited liability means, letter A, there is no limit on the amount an owner can borrow. B, creditors will absorb any loss from non-payment of debt. C, the business can borrow money for any type of purchase. Letter D, the owner is responsible for all business debts. E, shareholders can borrow money from the business. Your 20 seconds starts now. Ten seconds left. 5 seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is letter D. So no one got the correct answer. For easy round question number 4, theory question. The person who assumes full co-ownership of a partnership including unlimited liability is a, let me repeat, the person who assumes full co-ownership of a partnership including unlimited liability is a, A, sole proprietor, B, shareholder, C, limited partner, D, general partner. Your 20 seconds starts now. Ten seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is letter D, general partner. So everyone get the correct answer. So nice. General partner. So everyone got the correct answer. For the last question in easy round, theory question. The partner who can lose only what he has invested in a business is B. Let me repeat. The partner who can lose only what he has invested in a business is B. A, general partner, B, sole proprietor, C, manager, D, employee, D, limited partner. Your 20 seconds starts now. Five seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is letter E, limited partner. So everyone got the correct answer. Ayan. So tapos na po ang ating easy round. Very easy. Ayan. React heart naman po. Very easy. Mga theory question. So let's proceed now to the average round. Ayan. For the average round, we have 5 questions also. Ayan. For the theory, we have 20 you have 20 seconds to solve, to answer the question. For problems, we have 45 seconds or 60 seconds rather, or 1 minute. So, are you ready? Ayan. Ready na ba kayo? React hard naman pag ready na. Prepare your calculators. Because you might encounter problems in this round. So, for average round, question number 1, problem solving. Roberts and Smith drafted a partnership agreement that lists the following assets contributed at the partnership's formation. So the contribution by partners, please refer to your screens for the contribution by partners. The building is subject to a mortgage of 10,000 pesos, which the partnership has assumed. The partnership agreement also specifies that profits and losses are to be distributed evenly. What amount should be recorded as capital for Roberts and Smith at the formation of the partnership? Your 60 seconds starts now. Thirty seconds left. Ten seconds left. Time's up. So the correct answer is letter B. So 35,000 for Roberts and 75,000 for Smith. So in this question, this round, only player 4 got the correct answer. Only player 4. For average round, question number 2, theory question. After Nicole has maximized her standby credit limit from the CDO bank and still cannot cope with the working capital needs of her fast-growing business, what is her recourse if she wants her company to continue growing? I repeat, after Nicole has maximized her standby credit limit from the CDO bank and still cannot cope with the working capital needs of her fast-growing business, what is her recourse if she wants her company to continue growing? A. Obtain a partner or form a corporation to access more funds. B. Hire more employees. C. Turn away potential new customers. D. Contribute to plead with the bank for more money. E. Hold a fundraising campaign. Your 20 seconds starts now. Ten seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is letter A. So everyone got the correct answer. So let's proceed to average round question number 3, theory question. Karen loves to cook. She receives unqualified praise whenever she prepares a meal for someone. Encouraged by these compliments and eager to put her culinary talents to good use, Karen decides to open a boutique restaurant in Alaminos City. Since she plans to maintain complete control of the business, she will most likely organize it as I repeat, Karen loves to cook. She receives unqualified praise whenever she prepares a meal for someone. Encouraged by these compliments and eager to put her culinary talents to good use, Karen decides to open a boutique restaurant in Alaminos City. Since she plans to maintain complete control of the business, she will most likely organize it as letter A, limited partnership, B, corporation, C, general partnership, D, sole proprietorship. Your 20 seconds starts now. Ten seconds left. Time is up. The correct answer is letter D. So only 1 and 2, player 1 and 2 got the correct answer. So let's proceed to average round question number 4, problem solving. H and I form a partnership, agree to share the profits equally. H contributed 10,000 cash and a parcel of land acquired 5 years ago for 100,000. 3 hours after formation, the land was sold for 200,000. How much is the capital balance of I? So your 60 seconds starts now. 20 seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is 215,000. So, everyone got the correct answer. 215,000. So, for the last question, for the average round, partner Y and Z agreed to form ZY partnership sharing profit 40% and 60% respectively. The partnership also assumed the separate liabilities for partners for Y, 200,000 and Z, 300,000. Cash of 150,000 and 250,000 were also contributed by Y and Z. Immediately after formation, the partners were credited with 500,000 and 400,000 capital. How much is the agreed value of non-cash assets contributed by Z? So your 60 seconds starts now. Thirty seconds left. Ten seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is 450,000 pesos. So, for this question, no one got the correct answer. So, that's it for the average round. Kamusta? Kamusta kayo? Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba? Kaya niyo pa ba? Ayan. So, for difficult round, we have 5 questions ulit. So, proceed na ba tayo? React part kung proceed na ba? So, for difficult, round, question number 1, problem solving. Miguel, Paulo, and Andrew are new CPAs and are to form a partnership. Miguel is to contribute cash of 50,000 pesos, and his computer originally costing 60,000 pesos but has a second-hand value of 25,000 pesos. Paulo is to contribute cash of 80,000 pesos. Andrew, whose family is selling computers, is to contribute cash of 25,000 pesos and a brand new computer plus printer with regular price at 60,000 pesos, but which cost their families with computer dealerships 50,000 pesos. Partners agree to share profits equally. The capital balances upon formation are: letter A, Miguel 75,000, Paulo 80,000, Andrew 85,000. Miguel, 110,000. Paulo, 80,000. Andrew, 75,000. C. Miguel, 80,000. Paulo, 80,000. And Andrew, 80,000 pesos. D. Miguel, 88,333. Paulo, 88,333. And Andrew, 88,335. So you have 90 seconds to solve this problem. Your 90 seconds starts now.
Yung choices po.
Forty-five seconds left. Twenty seconds left. Five seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is letter A. So Miguel, 75,000, Paulo, 80,000, and Andrew, 85,000. So only player 1 and 2 got the correct answer. So difficult round, question number 2, problem solving. On March 1, 2021, Pat and Agnes decided to combine their businesses and form a partnership. Statement of financial position on March 1 before adjustment showed the following. Please refer to your screens. They agreed to provide 3% of doubtful accounts receivable and also agreed that Agnes furniture and fixtures are under-depreciated by 900,000. If each partner's share in equity is to be equal to the net assets invested, the capital accounts of Pat and Agnes would be letter A, 104,820 and 50,195 respectively. B, 59,070 and 32,195 respectively. C, 58,320 and 32,945 respectively. And D, 58,170 and 33,095 respectively. You have 90 seconds to solve the problem, which starts now. 20 seconds left. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B. So only player 4 got the correct answer. So only player 4 got the correct answer. So last 3 questions for this round. Question number 3, theory question. Burgos, Del Mundo, and Gonzalez are partners in an accounting firm with each partner owing an equal share of the business. Del Mundo died suddenly of a heart attack. What will most likely become of the partnership? I repeat. Burgos, Del Mundo, and Gonzalez are partners in an accounting firm with each partner owing an equal share of the business. Del Mundo died suddenly of a heart attack. What will most likely become of a partnership? A. It will immediately cease to exist. Burgos and Gonzalez will have to find new jobs. B. Del Mundo's share of the business will automatically be split between Burgos and Gonzalez. C. Burgos and Gonzalez will be able to purchase Del Mundo's interest from his estate. Or D. It will be dissolved on Burgos and Gonzalez will lose personal property to pay business. Your 20 seconds starts now. Ten seconds left. Time's up. The correct answer is letter D. So only player 1 and 4 got the correct answer. Only player 1 and 4 got the correct answer. Difficult round question number 4, theory question. Niño's partnership agreement with 2 partners was done haphazardly and thus caused some limitations. One of the concerns was uneven productivity among the partners. The agreement required each partner to contribute to every aspect of the business to receive an equal portion of the profits. This agreement did not reflect the idea that, I repeat, Niño's partnership agreement with 2 partners was done haphazardly and thus caused some limitations. One of the concerns was uneven productivity among the partners. The agreement required each partner to contribute to every aspect of the business to receive an equal portion of the profits. This agreement did not reflect the idea that A. Partners need not be equal because each bring varied talents and knowledge into the partnership. B. General partners are required to be active in day-to-day business operations. C. Customers and creditors of a limited partnership need not be protected. D. The limited partnership law requires every general partnership to have at least one limited partner. E. Each partner may enter into contracts on behalf of all the others. Your 20 seconds starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter A. So for this question, only player 2 got the correct answer. Only player 2 got the correct answer. So for the last question for this session, question number 5, theory question. Fernandez inherited a large amount of money from her parents. Fernandez wishes to start her own business in Pangasinan. Her lawyers encourage her to make it a corporation. What disadvantage of a sole proprietorship are lawyers trying to avoid? I repeat, Fernandez inherited a large amount of money from her parents. Fernandez wishes to start her own business in Pangasinan. Her lawyers encourage her to make it a corporation. What disadvantage of a sole proprietorship are the lawyers trying to avoid? A. Unlimited liability. B. Lack of management skills. C. Retention of all profits. D. Lack of money. Your 20 seconds starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter A. So only player 2 and 4 got the correct answer. Only 2 and 4, player 2 and 4 got the correct answer, which is unlimited liability. So that's it for this session. Ayan, I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Kamusta naman? Ayan. Let's wait for the tally of your scores. Tatali lang po. Dapat ano din kayo yung nagtatali ng inyong scores. Baka may discrepancy sa aming natali, na audit. Ayan. So, kamusta naman? May mga gusto ba kayong balikan ng mga tanong? Or saan kayo nahirapan? This is your chance to ask. Ayan. Kung saan kayo nagkamali, gano'n. Pwede nyo nang tanongin. So, meron na pong result ng ating mini quiz B. Ayan, may tanong. Bakit po sa TNF yung industrial part hindi po nag-share ng loss? Oo, kasi ano, di ba kapag industrial, ano bang ano niya? Ang kino-contribute niya is yung service or yung kanyang knowledge. So, sabi sa law, sa ating partnership law, si industrial partner is hindi siya nag-share kapag may loss si partnership. So, medyo advanced na yun. Sa operation nyo yun ma-encounter. Pero, malay nyo, lumabas yan kasi sa kinds of partners din. So, I hope nasagot ko ang iyong question. So sa industrial, since hindi naman siya nagko-contribute ng money, so wala siyang hati dun sa kung magkalos man yung partnership. Kasi ang kinontribute niya is industry or service lang. So kunwari siya yung nagmamanage, ganun. So kapag may loss yung partnership, wala siyang habol dun. Yung mga nag-contribute lang ng pera or nag-contribute ng property yung may habol dun sa loss ng partnership. So, I hope I answer your question. So, I will share my screen now. So, this is our scoreboard after tonight's quiz B. So, player 1 got 38 points, player 2 and player 4 got 42 points each. Yes, congrats! Congratulations! Pwede pang humabol for the next quiz B. Kaya, ang topic naman natin is about sa operation. Partnership operation. Ayan, may mga gusto ba kayong balikan? Is your chance para bumalik. Ayan. Ano ba yung lahat kayo hindi nakakuha? For easy number 3. Ayan. Unlimited liability. Ang sagot natin dito is letter D. So, the owner is responsible for all business debts. Di ba kapag unlimited liability, even yung mga personal mong oo nga, di ba? Parang si Chibon, ayaw niya pa nga mag-PhD ngayon, pero siya iba yung matasing nakuha, di ba? Di ba, di ba? Ayan. Tapos average number 5 din daw.
Ate, nagulat din ako sa score ko. Bakit ganyan?
Ayan, di ba? Easy lang. Ayan. So, kapag unlimited liability, the owner is responsible for all the business debts. Kahit sa kanyang mga personal assets, ayan, hahabulin siya ng creditors kasi meron siyang unlimited liability. So, average question number, ay sabi niya, average number 5. So, for average number 5. Ito yun, di ba? Average number 5. Si partner Y and Z agreed to form ZY partnership sharing profit of 40% and 60%. Kapag formation, disregard nyo muna yan. Yung profit sharing, nasa ano pa lang tayo, capital sharing. Wala pa tayo sa profit sharing. Darating din tayo dyan. Ayan. So, ang hinahanap dito is how much is the agreed value of non-cash assets contributed by Z? Ang nakita kong sumagot kanina is, sana ba yun? Malapit-lapit yung kay Chibon eh. Ang answer niya is 400,000. Sayang, kulang ng 50. Hindi mo na-account yung 50,000. Ayan. So, si Zay. Important kapag ganitong mga quiz B or paunahan magsagot is basahin mo kung ano yung kailangan. So, how much is the agreed value of non-cash assets contributed by Zay? So, kay Zay ka lang mag-focus. So, may separate liability daw sila. So, kay Zay meron kang 300. So, inote mo na yung 300,000. Meron din daw in-invest na cash na 250 si Zay. So, inote mo na rin yan. And then, immediately after formation, the partners were credited with 500 and 400. So, si Zay meron siyang 400,000 agad. So, ang adjusted capital after formation ni Zay is 400,000. And then, let's add the liabilities. Assume na 300,000 meron kang liabilities and equity na 700. And then, may cash contribution ka na 250. So, ang ating non-cash contribution is 450,000. And so, kailangan balik lang kayo dun sa ating basic na accounting equation na asset minus liability is equity or asset is equals to liability plus equity. So, dapat balance si asset, tsaka si liabilities and equity or ang ating net asset. So, dito, nakakuha naman ata lahat sa ating average round question number 4. Very nice. Ito palang average question number 4 and 5 is question to dun sa Junior Accounting Masters last January 2020 na ginanap sa may PhilCST sa Calasiao. Ayan, easy round question tong mga to. Itong average number 4 and number 5. Nasa easy question. Ayan. Fun fact lang. Doon ko siya kinuha. Ayan. So, may mga katanungan pa po ba? For difficult round, wala ba kayong tatanungin? For computation? Dito. Kay Miguel. Difficult number 1. So, dalawang nakakuha dito. And then, sa ating difficult number 2, isa lang ang nakakuha. Ang ating answer is, hindi nyo ba napansin to? Parang nakalimutan ko siyang i-edit. Naging bold yung letter B. Hindi ba siya halata? Akala ko makukuha niya na siya eh. May nakapansin ba? Halata naman ba na naka-bold yung font? So, yung computation yan is, ito, wait. Let me share my other screen. So, ito po pala yung ating tabulation of scores. Ayan. Ayan po. It's a tie. 42 and 42 and then 38. Yung sa ating question number, ayan, question number 1 or number 2, number 1, number 2. Ito po ang solution sa question number 2. Pwede nyo na pong i-screenshot. Ayan po. Wait lang. Ayan po, pwede nyo nang i-screenshot. So, nag-start tayo kay net asset or capital balance per balance sheet. Ito po, 59,625 kay Pat. And then, yung less yung kanyang provision of doubtful accounts na meron tayong accounts receivable na 18,500 and then sabi niya 3% daw yung magiging doubtful or hindi mo na or baka hindi mo na makolect. So 555 yon. So kanyang share in the partnership equity is 59,070 kanyang adjusted capital. And then for Agnes, ang kanyang capital balance per balance sheet is 33,500 and then less ang ating provisions for doubtful accounts, yung ating accounts receivable times yung percentage ng doubtful accounts natin, 3% is 405. And then less yung ating under depreciation sa furnitures and fixtures na 900. So, less mo rin yung sa capital. And then, ilas yun sa ating capital balance per balance sheet for the net assets. So, meron si Agnes na 32,125. So, yun lang po for tonight. Ayan, medyo ano na tayo. Late na. So, may question pa po ba? May gusto ba kayong i-review a lesson or topic sa formation? Or baka hindi kayo na-get sa mga tinurong problems? Ganun. Pwede na natin balikan para kahit hindi na kayo mag-review bukas, dito na natin reviewin. If wala na, you can react part and open your cameras na lang for our attendance for tonight. Ayan, Miss Urbano, you can take the screen
Sige.
share.
Si Kim. Si Kim na may laban ang buhok sa ating lahat. Nasaan ka na, Kim? Tayo muna. Smile na. 1, 1, 2, 3. Yan. Isa pa. 1, 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay na.
Ayan. Do you have other concerns, clarifications? If wala na, thank you for attending for tonight's session, discussion, and mini quiz B. Ayun. So, good luck sa exam nyo bukas, prize. So, for the prize, we will announce na lang sa next session. And yung points nyo is ma-accumulate to for the next quiz B. So, galingan nyo for the next one. Pwede pang humabol yung medyo konti yung nakuha today. Ayan. And yung mga marami namang nakuha, pagpatuloy nyo yan. Para more chances of winning. Ayan. So, if wala na, thank you again and good night. Aral kayo mabuti. Good luck sa exam bukas. Thank you.